Dr Jannat Tonny. I graduated from Sylhet MRCS OSCE Medical College. I had appeared in Part A MRCS in January 2025, and then I got admitted in Excellence for MRCS. I talked with both Rifat Bhaiya and Hasnan Bhaiya, and I got assured that the course will provide me everything that I'll need for my exam Part B. After getting into the course, I attended all the live classes, tried to give the mocks as per dated, and discovered that this course is more than organized. Both the mentors gave us the highest effort they can provide, and they are super dedicated for us. And for my final retuning the preparation, I have booked the simulation hands-on course, and here I am enjoying everything about it, like the real-time patients, hands-on simulation, and to attending the stations in front of my mentors and with the other candidates, and it actually helping me to retuning my final preparation. And I'm really hopeful that the other candidates is feeling the same way like I'm feeling, and hoping for the best for my next exam. Keep me in your prayers. Thank you.